Now let's pull up the map for you guys who want to follow along. Go up to File, Open, go back to your main folder, and open your Noesis folder, and then open up your Entities file. And this is a zoo map for the various entities that are in Left 4 Dead. And let's go over each of them and some specific things about them. And these are also in alphabetical order. Commentary Zombie Spawner. This is used to spawn the boss infected during the commentary. However, you can use it in your own custom campaign if you want to spawn the boss infected without having to rely off the AI director. Filter Activate Infected class. This is used to filter out the various infected classes if you have a trigger, such as the Smoker, Boomer, Hunter, or Tank. Filter Activator Team. This is basically the same thing, however it's either for the Survivor team or the Infected team. Environment Outro Stats. This rolls the finale stats once you finish a campaign. You just trigger it. Environment Tone Map Controller Ghost and Controller Infected. These are used to change the tone map for the Infected class because if you have a really dark map, it's hard for them to see sometimes. Function Player Infected Clip. This is a clip brush for the player infecteds, not the computer bot infected. Info Director, which is the notorious director entity, needs to be in every single Left 4 Dead map you make. Info Game Event Proxy. This makes the game events, which can be found in the world of Left 4 Dead, such as the finales or the howitzers or the various crescendos in the maps, and it has a range of in feet. Info Game Mode. If you have a entity which you only want in a specific game mode, you can use that entity. Info Goal Infected Chase. You can use this to make the infected chase something else instead of the survivors. Info Map Parameters. This is the generic randomly spawning item entity, and as you can see, they're done with a density and range, and it has pain pills, molotovs, and the other randomly spawning objects. And as you can see, it's in a density per square 100 yards. Info Survivor Position. This is the positions the AI uses during the beginning of campaigns. Info Survivor Rescue. This is used to make the rescue closets. Info Zombie Spawner. If you want to spawn zombies in the map and not by the director, you can use this entity. Point Deathfall Camera. If you want the survivors to have a cool camera whenever they fall off a cliff, you can use this whenever they pass within the field of view of the camera. Point View Control Multiplayer and Point View Control Survivor. These are used together to make the intros to campaigns. Prop Car Alarm. This is the car alarms which are in the world of Left 4 Dead. You know, when you shoot it, the horde will come and find you. And as you can see, it has a lot of different options you can put into it. Prop Car Glass. This is the breakable glass which is in the world of Left 4 Dead. Prop Door Rotating Checkpoint. This is the checkpoint door which is found in Left 4 Dead. There's various door stuff. Prop Health Cabinet. This is the health cabinets which are in Left 4 Dead. And if you go all the way down, you can see you can put in a custom number of pain pills. Yeah, pain pills are first aid kits. Prop Minigun. This is the minigun which is in Left 4 Dead. And you just place it and players can run up and use it. trigger auto crouch. This is a weird obscure entity which Valve Software added for making the players automatically crouch. Trigger finale. This is used to trigger the finale in Left 4 Dead. And as you can see, you can set a custom world model to it, and this one's the ham radio. Trigger multiple and trigger once. The thing which is unique about these is there's an added option for the entire team, and you can either have the entire survivor or infected team. And it fires when the entire team is touching it. And the various weapon, ammo, and health entities, such as the weapon ammo spawn, the weapon pipe bomb, and as you can see, each of them have a count. Some of the custom flags are to not cluster with the similar items. You can enable physics, or you can make them so they must exist so they don't spawn in randomly.